we're ready. Lean forward. You can do it. There you go. Look at you, dude. Dude, yeah. Keep watching where you're going. Keep going. Yeah, buddy. First day out snowboarding. Oh, right on. Good landing. What's wrong, you? Ouch. Is that an ouch? Here, let me help you back up.
Ouch.
Ouch. All right. Can you keep going? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Badger Pass, 2010, December 11th. Oh no! Oh no! You got caught in the runoff ditch. Don't cry, you're fine. Did you eat some yellow snow? Here we go, ready? Up. 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 Turn it around, and there you go. Watch where you're going. All right, I think this hill's done.